here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do a quick demo on buttermilk biscuits. You just saw a video, same process, okay? Everyone's gonna get a recipe. What's the first thing you wanna do with all the dry ingredients?
Put them in a bowl.
Yep, then what? Whisk it together. Why are we whisking it together? There you go, incorporate everything, yep. So this recipe is pretty easy. It's all-purpose flour, sugar, baking powder, salt. That's what's in here now. Now I'm putting in the butter, okay?
That's a lot of butter.
It might seem like a lot of butter, but what's the name of the recipe? Buttermilk. So you can use a fork or use the tool I have here. We only have one of these, so you're all going to do it with a fork. He asked because I take the other day, take him. I never turned it on. All right, so how long do I mix this?
Until it's low.
Say again? You're looking for small little balls. Okay, butter sticks on here. Just brush it off because it is ice cold, so it's not going to melt to it. And keep incorporating it. Whoop. So it's tedious, takes a little bit of time, but you want to make sure that the butter is small enough so when it bakes, it's nice and light and flaky. If you leave your butter too big, it'll just be soft and soggy. So keep moving the butter off your pastry brush here, or pastry fork. So it does take a little bit of time, but if you incorporate everything well and butter's small enough pieces, your biscuits are going to be nice, light, and flaky. They're going to be really good. Anybody have a real dense biscuit in the past? Kind of hard? That could be from two things. It could be the butter was too soft, or it could be that it was overmixed. See how smaller the pieces of butter are now? You guys see it over here? See how they're smaller? That's what you're looking for. So you're going to do this with a fork though, okay? So it is a little tedious, takes a little bit of time. Alright, see how it's all nice and flaky? A little small piece of butter. Now we have the buttermilk. Add all the buttermilk. And just gently stir it around. Remember, you don't want to overmix it, right? What happens if you overmix it? Say again? It'll get tough. Looks like there's a lot of flour, but we're going to incorporate by hand too. You guys see it? So we're going to take a little extra flour. Dust the table.
about this one.
Yes, please. I guess that pan too.
Yeah.
All right, so you see how it's starting to come together? So go about a half inch. Take your excess, put it in the middle. And remember, the video showed just fold it over. Turn it, push down. Again, go about half inch. If you come close, you can see the butter pieces in there? That's what you're looking for. Fold it again. How many times are you supposed to fold it over?
6.
6. So you can push it in the hand, or you can use a rolling pin to get the thickness that you want before you cut it. When you go to cut it, use your cutter. Just dip it a little bit in the flour so it doesn't stick into your cutter. That's what you're looking for. It's about the thickness that you want. Put them in our pan. Take your excess, and we're just going to fold it over. Cut a couple more out of here. You can still see pieces of the butter in the top of the biscuit, right? One left here probably. So put them in your pan like that. Then we're going to bake them in the oven, okay? Anybody have any questions on what you have to do? Everybody's good? All right, so you're going to make them, try them, we're going to bake them, and then they're yours to keep.